British porn star turned lawyer twin sisters are convicted of drunkenly attacking a policewoman in Dubai, and sentenced to 6 months in jail. Two British twin sisters have been found guilty of drunkenly assaulting a policewoman in Dubai and sentenced to 6 months jail. Alena and Sasha Parker, 37, fiercely protested their innocence when they were arrested outside a luxury hotel in the Gulf state in August last year. But the identical pair, who had been working in the country as lawyers, were convicted of assault by the Dubai Criminal Court today. Presiding Judge Mohammed Jamal said the evidence against the sisters was strong and solid and sufficient to find them guilty despite their not guilty pleas. He sentenced them to 6 months in prison and ordered their deportation from the oil-rich United Arab Emirates, UAE, upon release. However, the two women, who were not in court, remain free on bail for now and have a month to decide whether to appeal their sentences. The Dubai Criminal Court heard how the twins, who work for law firm Alena and Partners but previously appeared in soft porn films while living in London, punched and scratched the officer before throwing her to the ground, the UAE newspaper The National reported. The incident began after paramedics tried to help Alena Parker, who had hurt her hand after leaving a drinks reception at a hotel in the upmarket Al Barsha district on 4 August last year, the judge was told. One of the Parker sisters was alleged to have slammed the ambulance door on the paramedic's hand. The 23-year-old Emirati police officer told the court, "She, Alena Parker, was sitting inside the ambulance when we got there and the second one, Sasha Parker, was standing next to the ambulance and screaming." While the paramedic did not wish to press charges against the sisters, the police took the decision to detain them as they were drunk, the court heard. The pair then resisted arrest, the police officer told the judge. "We were ordered to handcuff them and take them in," the officer said. While in the car, they both started screaming and banging on the windows, he said. When they arrived at the police station, he left the women in the car with a colleague and a policewoman, the court heard. "I went to get another set of handcuffs, since the ones we used were too big. But when I returned, I found both women on top of the policewoman, assaulting her," he said. The Emirati policewoman told prosecutors that she was caught off guard and was thrown to the ground. "It was surprising because I did nothing to them nor did I even speak to them," she testified. "They threw me to the ground, injuring my head and back, sat on top of me, kicked me and hit me all over my body. One of them scratched me hard on my right arm with her long nails," the policewoman said. She told the court the women were restrained and taken to the police station where they struggled and insulted her. The policewoman was taken to hospital for treatment while the sisters were taken into custody, the court heard. Alena and Sasha Parker, who were born in the impoverished Soviet state of Belarus and became British citizens 8 years ago, vigorously protested their innocence at an earlier hearing in April and denied resisting arrest, physical assault and making insults. In April the pair insisted the court would find in their favor, "Since we trust the UAE judicial system and are sure about our innocence, we are confident that the justice will be served." Mail Online revealed how the sisters had been porn stars who made adult films while studying in London and neither had qualified in the UK in law. Alena Parker, who is an associate at the Alena and Partners law firm, dropped out before completing the rigorous 4-year training to practice as a solicitor in the UK. Sasha, who is the firm's case manager, did not even begin the process to practice law, it is understood. The identical pair, who were born with the maiden name Velikanova, came to the UK after meeting British television director Miles Parker while he was making a film in Russia. The sisters moved to London to study and Alena married Parker in January 2001. Her sister Sasha later changed her name by deed poll to Parker. Alena studied law at the University of London and University of Westminster between 2002 and 2007. They then moved to Dubai. Mr. Parker explained, "Alena took my name when we got married. Sasha changed her name by deed poll because she wanted to have the same name as Alena. The twins are inseparable. They have been British citizens since 2005. Alena studied law in London, gained a good degree. She also has a master's as well as qualification in Islamic banking. The twins moved to Dubai in 2007. They share a flat together. An FCO spokesperson said, "We are supporting two British women who were arrested in Dubai in 2017, and are in contact with the UAE authorities."